Hi, hello friends, welcome to Swan Institute YouTube channel. Coming to myself, I am Mahesh Achari, registered with National Stock Exchange NSE, along with working as a marketing partner in Zerodha Brokerage Company. You can find here my registration certificate as well. If you have any guidance and support, please you can ask me regarding share market. So this is about myself, my friends. And coming to today's topic, Muhurat trading. So generally people are discussing about what is Muhurat trading. So we are going to discuss about this topic today. So let's begin our topic. We know, friends, generally we used to celebrate the Diwali festivals. Why we are going to celebrate this festival as a traditional method? We Indian people have it's a auspicious festival, so we are going to celebrate this festival. There is a reason behind that, happy Naraka Chaturdashi and all. So this is the reason behind that. And coming to our topic, Muhurat trading. So what is Muhurat trading? Muhurat trading is conducted by SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. It's a traditional method which is followed by SEBI. So we are going to know about the Muhurat trading now. Muhurat trading is the auspicious stock trading practice for an hour on Diwali special day. So it's a traditionally celebrating a new year. It's a Hindu New Year. So it is a symbolic ritual which has been performed for years, as Diwali also marks the beginning of the new year. So we know that Hindu New Year will be start. It is believed that Muhurat trading on this day brings in wealth and prosperity throughout the year. It is believed that the Muhurat is an auspicious time according to Hindu calendar, where the planets align themselves in such a way that the task you perform during this time duration becomes fruitful and without the influences of evil forces. So while getting married on a specific Muhurat is a common we are going to call it as a Muhurtam. So that is called as a Muhurat, that is Muhurat trade. So we are going to start a trade in the sense that is a time. So we are going to call it as a Muhurat trade. It is a tradition to trade during the Muhurat as worship towards the Hindu goddess of wealth. Trading on this day, which is also the day when the Hindu financial year begins. We know that English calendar, it will start from January to December. So similarly, we have a Hindu calendar. So Hindu financial year begins and is considered to bring blessings for the year ahead. Also, the Gujarati community begins their new year a day after Lakshmi Puja, that is Muhurat trade. So this year we have Muhurat trading on November 14th, that is Saturday. Saturday is a market holiday, but we use it to conduct a Muhurat trading. So with our family members, we can start Muhurat trading. But market is a holiday, but stock market is open just for 1 hour of the time to perform the Diwali Muhurat trading at NSE and BSE both segments. This Muhurat trading is a trading activity for the Indian stock markets, where exchanges such as NSE and BSE, we know that both exchanges are listed in India. So opens the market for trading for a short period of time on the occasion of the Diwali Lakshmi Puja. Generally is during the evening times. So evening will start this Muhurat trading, and the stock market stays only for only 1 hour of time. The Muhurat trading date and time is notified by exchanges to the investors a few days before the event. So generally we know that Diwali day is the Muhurat trading day. And Muhurat trading date and time is selected as per Hindu calendar. not for English calendar. So therefore the date and time change will be changed every year. So many investors also choose this day to open their new demat account. So if you don't have any demat account till now, you can simply go to the description link and you can click on that link, open Zerodha demat account right now. If you face any difficulties, you can ask me, I'll clarify. So now we are going to know about Muhurat trade timings. So when Muhurat timing is going to conduct on Muhurat auspicious day, Muhurat trade. So here you can find that NSE Muhurat trade timing here, we are mentioned there. You can find here November 14, 2020 Saturday, and as usual we are trade with pre-open session as well and black deal. And Muhurat trading session will be start at 6:15 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. As we discussed, there is only 1 hour will be conducted there. So everything as usual, general days here, but only 1 hour, that is only short period of time here. So this is about the NSE Muhurat trading time. So I hope you guys will participate in this special auspicious day, that is Muhurat trading. And coming to BSE Muhurat trading timings, you can find here both are similar, there is no change. NSE and BSE segments both will be start with same timing. So this is about the Muhurat trading, friends. I hope you guys will participate in this Muhurat trading, and you can participate with your family members so that they can start their they can share their positive vibrations, positive thoughts to you guys. So as a Muhurat trading, as a Hindu culture, every people will believe that if we booked any profit around 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, whatever it may be, if you took any profits from the market on auspicious Muhurat trading, so by next Muhurat trading, till by next Muhurat trading, you are going to be in profit mode. So for this purpose, every people, Indian people used to trade in Muhurat trading. So there is huge fluctuations will be happen in that Muhurat trading because of heavy volumes will be start on Muhurat trading. And coming to Samvat. So what is Samvat? Samvat, generally we are going to some pictures and news TV channels, they are discussing about the Samvat 2077, Samvat 2066, like that they are mentioned. So Vikram Samvat is the lunisolar Vikram Samvat calendar, that is Hindu calendar, which is we know about a English calendar starting from January to December, right? So similarly there is a Hindu calendar also will be available in India, that is you can find here that Chaitra, Vaishakam, Jyeshtam, like that. So this is about the Vikram Samvat calendar. And if you go through the history, Vikram Samvat calendar was prepared by one person, which is he is from Nepal. So his name was Rana Dynasty. He has made this calendar in 1901 year. So he is going to some calculations. He has done some calculations. After that calculation, he got some values. It's like the lunisolar Vikram Samvat calendar is 56.7 years ahead of the solar Gregorian calendar. So simply Rana Dynasty has invented that our Hindu calendar is more than the Gregorian calendar. So currently we are in 2020, right? So we are going to call this Samvat, this Hindu, as per Hindu calendar, this Samvat is going to called a 2077 Samvat. Simple, friends, you can calculate wherever you are, like we are in 2020 right now. So simply you can add 56.7 years to that year. So 2020 year plus 56.7 years, totally 2076.7, that is nearby 2077. This is about the Samvat. So simple, you can calculate the Samvat year if you want by next year. Coming to Nifty movement on Muhurat trading day. So you can find here from 2008 to 2017 we have a data. If you observe the 2008 only, there is 6% huge gap up, huge gaining on that Muhurat auspicious day trading. And apart from 2008, every year was closed with a huge negative session, negative trades on Muhurat trading. So please keep in your mind, but don't take this history. This is a history, not for our future. So we don't know about the market conditions. Based on market condition only, market will trade on Muhurat day trading. So based on that demand and supply, and based on that news. So generally we know that nearby there is a US elections are there. So based on that news and some any news factors will affect on trading. So before Muhurat trading day, so we have to set up our trade, and we are going to participate in Muhurat trading session, so along with our family members. So this is about the Muhurat trading and Muhurat trading timings and Muhurat trading past history as well. We are already discussed. This is about the today's topic, friends, and you can find our Facebook page as well, Swan SIFM. And if you have any doubts regarding share market, financial markets, like if you need any help, support, assistance, guidance, you can simply mention any comment in this video. So I'm going to help you. Once again, happy Diwali, friends.